Hello children, welcome back to maths class. Nowadays we are studying about time, how to read time in a clock. Today we are going to convert a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. Have you ever seen time in a 24-hour clock? In some smartphones, the time is shown in 24 hours, isn't it? Did you notice that sometimes you may see the time as 000 or 2300 like that? Then have you ever think about such things, how it comes like that? That means we can display the time in two ways, a 12-hour clock and in a 24-hour clock. We are going to study how to convert a 24-hour clock to a 12-hour clock, or how to convert the time in 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Then convert 12-hour clock to the 24-hour clock. 12 a.m. Therefore, please listen. This 12 a.m. means that is midnight 12 o'clock. The time is the day is starting from 12 a.m. Now 12 a.m. means midnight 12 o'clock. Then in 24-hour clock, the time shown is 000 like that much hours. If whenever you see this in a clock 000 hours, that means 12 a.m. or midnight 12 o'clock. Then 4 a.m. 4 a.m. means that is in the morning. That is that time in 24-hour clock also, the time is same, 4 o'clock itself. And 10:25 means 10:25 itself. Then next one, 3:10 p.m. 3:10, that means it is afternoon. Afternoon. That means to find a time in 24-hour clock, then add 12 to this time. 12 plus 3:10. 12 plus 3:10. 12 plus 3 is 15. Therefore, 15:10 it is. In notice that you have to notice that in 24-hour clock we don't use AM or PM. Then to write the time in afternoon, we are adding 12 to that time. 3:10 p.m. means we need to add 12 to that time. 12 plus 3:10, that is 15:10 it is. Next is 11:30 p.m. that is at night. 11:30 p.m. means it's in the night. To convert this time to a 24-hour clock, add 12 to this 11:30. 12 plus 11. 12 plus 11 is 23. 23:30 it is. Therefore, in 12 o'clock the time is 11:30 p.m. That means it is in the afternoon or night 11:30, and in 24-hour clock the time shows us 23:30. Then there are some times given in 12-hour clock, and we are going to convert that to 24-hour clock. Time 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is 12 midnight, that is in 24-hour clock the time is 00. Then 12:15 a.m. that is after midnight. 12:15 a.m. means 0:15, and 12:35 a.m. is 0:35. Therefore, for that 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m. we need to subtract 12 to convert a 12-hour clock, which is in the time between 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m. Subtract 12 from that number. 12 minus 12, 0. 12:15 minus 12, that is 0:15, and 12:35 minus 12, that is 0:35. Therefore, between the time 12 a.m. and 12:59 a.m. subtract 12, then we will get the time in 24-hour clock. Then the next is the time between 1 a.m. and 12:59 p.m. 12:59 p.m. means afternoon 12:59. Therefore, between 1 a.m. and 12:15 p.m. we need to, the hours and minutes are same itself. 2 a.m. means 2 o'clock itself in the 24-hour clock, and 8 a.m. means 8 itself, and 12:59 p.m. means 12:59 itself. Then the next one, after 12:59 p.m. or 1 p.m. onwards, to convert that time to a 24-hour clock, we need to add 1:20 p.m. Convert that to a 24-hour clock, add 12 because it is 1 after 1 p.m. 1:20 p.m. means after 1 p.m. Therefore, add 12. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13:20. And 8:45 p.m. 8:45 p.m. means it is afternoon. Therefore, add 12. 12 plus 8. 20. 20:45. And 11:59 plus 11 plus 12. 12 plus 11:59. It is 23:59. Therefore, this is the tips for conversion. Whenever the time is between 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m., subtract 12 to get the time in 24-hour clock. Then, if it is between 1 a.m. and 12:59 p.m., the time shows the hours and minutes are same both in 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Then, next is if the time is between 1 p.m. and 11:59 p.m., then to get the time in 24-hour clock, we need to add 12. Add 12 hours. That's all. And you have to write this in the notebook. The next is how to convert a 24-hour clock time to a 12-hour clock. It is given that 0:45. That means 0:45 means it is equal to 12:45 a.m. after midnight. 12:45 a.m. means after midnight, 12:45. Then 6 in the 24-hour clock means that is 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Then 11:40. 11:40 also, that is also morning. Therefore, it is 11:40 a.m. Then next 17:35. This time is in 24-hour clock. Then we need to convert that to a 12-hour clock. For that, subtract 12. 17:35 minus 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. 5:35 p.m. it is. 5:35 p.m. And 22:50. To convert that to a 12-hour clock, subtract 12. 20:50 minus 12. 22:50 minus 12. 22 minus 12 is 10. Then 10:50 p.m. it is. Then convert 24-hour clock to a 12-hour. Time in 24-hour clock is given. We have to convert that to a time in 12-hour clock. It is 00. That means it is these are the time given shown in 24-hour clock. 00 means that is 12 a.m. after that is midnight 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock in a 24-hour clock shows 00 like that. And 0:30, that means 12:30 a.m. after midnight 12:30. And 0:59, that is 12:59 a.m. That means add 12 and a.m. to that time. Whenever it is 0 to 59, 00 to 59, then to write that time in a 12-hour clock, just add 12 and add a.m. also. Therefore, 12 plus 0, 12 a.m. 0:30 plus 12, 12:30 a.m. 0:59 plus 12, that is 12:59 a.m. Then next is 11:40. 11:40 means it is in the morning time. Therefore, 11:40 a.m. 1:55, that is 1:55 a.m. 9:20, 9:20 a.m. itself. That means add a.m. to the time from 1 to 11:59. You have to remember these tips. Then if the time is between, in a 24-hour clock, if the time is between 1 and 11:59, then just add a.m. to convert that to a 12-hour clock. The next one is, it is more than 12, 16:15. That means 16:15 means to convert that 24-hour clock time to a 12-hour clock, subtract 12. 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4:15, then add p.m. Then 21:30. 21:30 minus 12. 21 minus 12 is 9. Therefore, 9:30 p.m. 13, that is 13 minus 12, that is 1 p.m. Therefore, subtract 12 and at the end add PM to the time between 13 to 23:59. You have to remember these tips. Whenever this is 0 to 59, then just add 12 and AM to that time. Whenever the time is from 1 o'clock to 11:59, then just add AM. Then the time from 13 to 23:59, subtract 12 and add PM. Therefore, you have to write this in the notebook and study the tips to convert. The method how to convert a 24-hour clock to a 12-hour clock and a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. One question. Tripti reaches the bus stand at 5:48 PM. Her bus is scheduled to leave at 16:48 hours. Did she catch or miss the bus? She reached the bus stand at 5:48 PM and the time of departure of that bus is 16:48. The first time is given in 12-hour clock and the second time is given in 24-hour clock. Therefore, first convert this 24-hour clock to a 12-hour clock. Therefore, the time she reaches the bus stand, that is 5:48 PM. We need to write the steps. Time she reached the stand, she reached, is equal to 5:48 PM. Then departure time of the bus. Departure time of the bus is what is the departure time of the bus? That is 16:48. That is given in 24-hour clock, 16:48 hours. Then convert that 24-hour clock time to a 12-hour clock. 16:48. How can we convert that 16:48 to a 12-hour clock? For that, subtract 12. 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is 4, then 48. 4:48 PM. Write PM. Subtract and then add PM. Therefore, she reached the bus stand at 5:48 PM and the bus left the bus stand at 4:48 PM. Then she missed the bus. Okay, she reached the bus stand after the bus left. After the bus left. Therefore, she missed the bus. Okay, therefore, we have studied how to convert. We have studied the conversion between a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. Write this in the notebook. Then here are some homework. Let us write 10.2, page number 62, question number 1 and 2. That's all for today's class. Thank you.